Truck accident cases can often be more complex than car accident cases because many trucks have both a tractor and a trailer. When we see 18-wheelers on the road and you see the front portion of the truck and then the back portion, amazingly, the tractor, the front, and the trailer, the rear, usually have different insurance companies, which means that you can have additional coverage, but it's also important to work with a law firm that knows how to deal with more than one insurance company. The most important evidence in truck accident cases, in addition to the police accident report, photographs and video and eyewitness testimony, is obtaining the history of that truck. Meaning, you're entitled to the driver's log. You're entitled to a history as to what was done with the loading of that truck. Where did it start? Where was it destined to go? That will answer all of the questions about the hours on the road, if it was overloaded, if its tires are safe, things along those lines. When it comes to truck accidents, unfortunately, due to the size and weight of the truck, the injuries are often very significant. Therefore, it's incredibly important that you, as the injured person, reach out and speak to a law firm that has experience working with truck accident cases. Our office and myself have been doing this type of work and representing truck accident victims for more than 3 decades.